What's up, guys? So I did get in a few more trades after this morning's live stream. Be sure to come check out Beginner Trading's live stream Monday morning at 8:45. I'll probably end up bleeding over and trading live on stream after the market open, so make sure you hit that subscribe button now. I made $35 today. It was a decent day, a green day, so enjoy this live trade video. Okay, so my first trade after today's stream was on CYTX. I got in at about 65 or 66 cents, and I rode it up until it bounced over 70 cents. Once it bounced over 70 cents and reached that 71-cent area, I set a stop loss for about 69 cents, and that's ultimately where I got stopped out. I didn't catch the exit on video just because I was looking at other stuff, relatively comfortable from the stop loss, but I made $4 or $5 from that first trade after the stream. Okay, so my next trade was on EHIC, and I got in at 1075. It looked like it was forming a nice flag pattern, and so I was ultimately looking for it to break past that previous high. And so I got in at 1075 with 20 shares and held this one for a little while. Eventually, it didn't end up working out for me, and it dropped below the 1070s into the 1060s. I think I exited this one at about $10.65 for a very small $3 or $4 loss. Okay, so my next trade after that was on CYTX again. I got in at about 69 cents, but I got a really bad fill on Ustock and was filled at about 71 cents with 100 shares. I held this one for a little while. It looked like it might be forming support as there was previous support around the 70-cent area, but when I saw it not able to hold that and starting to crack under that 70-cent area, I ultimately just decided to exit at one point. I think I got out at about 68 cents for another $4 loss on my small Ustock account. Okay, so if you watched my live stream this morning, you'll see that one of my biggest problems is selling my positions a little bit too soon. And so with CYTX, it looked like I had gotten spooked out a little bit too soon after those first trades. Same thing with EHIC. And so I was determined to let my trades work for me a little bit and kind of try to experiment to see if this would work a little bit better. And so I got in EHIC at about $10.88 with 35 shares, and I set a stop loss at 1070, holding this one for about 30 or 45 minutes. The same thing with CYTX. I got in at about 71 cents, but I did add another 300 shares, making my full sizing 600 shares, and I set a stop loss at 66 cents. And so I was determined to let these two trades work for me and not get spooked out soon, and they did great with that. I exited EHIC once it broke into that $11 area and sold at about $11.35 for a $14 profit, and with the CYTX trade, I sold it just under 75 cents for another $14 profit on my small Ustock account. So overall in the day, I was up about $35, and it wasn't a huge day, but it was a green day nonetheless, and so hopefully I'll learn to hold my winners a little bit longer. Be sure to come check out Beginner Trading's live stream Monday morning at 8:45. I'll probably end up trading live in the market again, just like this morning, so be sure to check that out and hit that subscribe button if you want to see it. Also, make sure you like and subscribe just to do your most to help support this channel, guys. We really appreciate it, and come check out our free day trading chat room. There's a link in each video's description. Thanks, guys, and good luck in the markets on Monday.